All right, we try to bring you as much good news as possible here on AZAM, but this is not that, because it's about to get really hot. That's what happens. And this is when you start using your AC, and Anita, this is when your AC starts breaking. It just happens depending on the age of the unit. So now we're hearing AC parts. The guy's going to come out and go, yeah, I can fix this for you in a couple weeks when I get a part. And say it's not true.
I'm going to give you a little bit of good news,
Okay.
and I got that from my friend Conrad here with Complete Comfort Home Services. Don't panic yet. Don't go out and replace your unit and all that. Don't panic, but just be aware that you might have to wait for some parts.
Absolutely.
What's happening?
Well, there is an equipment shortage. It's difficult to get equipment. That doesn't mean jump off the crazy deep end. Don't turn it into the toilet paper pandemic.
Right.
That's not the case. Really what it comes down to is instead of having a system installed tomorrow, it might be a week or two till we can get parts and equipment available for that.
So a couple years ago, before this pandemic hit, because we'll talk about how that still affecting, how quickly could you get parts?
Next day.
Next day.
Next day.
Okay, so a week or two delay right now.
Yep.
But we're also seeing an increase in pricing. We've had 2 this year, and there's another one coming in June. What's causing all of this?
Well, there's just like everything else, lumber and all that kind of stuff is going up. Steel is going up. A lot of the higher end equipment has computer chips in it. It's smart equipment and it has computer chips as well. So just like it's hitting the auto industry, it's also hitting the air conditioning industry as well.
So what kind of parts? We're looking at some really big units here. Is that what you can't get, or the little cooling coils? What are we talking about?
Cooling coils have been very difficult. Gas furnaces have been difficult. Package units, so for people that have that rooftop package unit, those have been really difficult to get. A lot of this equipment, I wouldn't normally have this on hand, but because we could get it delivered directly to the job site the next day.
You're doing it.
So we're some of these jobs were sold a week or 2 weeks ago, and we've had to do some temporary repairs to get them cooling so that they're comfortable, so that we can wait till we get equipment in and take care of our clients.
Okay, and back to the no panic. Even if you think your AC is not going to make it, not going to limp through, don't go tear it out and necessarily buy a new one, because you're saying maybe possibly it's still fixable.
It is. It's a machine. It can always be rebuilt. Sometimes the cost to rebuild it or outweigh, and a long-term solution is better to replace it, but that depends on your individual situation. And right now, because supply is limited, your options might be limited. So don't go crazy.
Yeah.
You
were saying, all the issues that Texas had with that deep freeze, so the largest manufacturer, they're shut down. And then COVID last year, everything was barely manufactured, so it's just kind of the ripple effect.
We're feeling a lot of those effects right now.
Okay.
And it's just stretching supplies very, very thin.
Okay, well, I'm sure you guys are busy. And also, you guys, Complete Comfort Home Services, thank you, Conrad. Small businesses, they have about 6 employees, so this is a fantastic way to support a small business and then make sure your AC is running. Conrad says he's going to be as creative as possible. He's not raising prices to counter, everything that's happening. He's going to try to stay as low and stable as possible
how about that?
For the consumer. And yeah, right. And then do the best he can to keep everyone cool who gives him a call.
I've got a buddy who owns one of those AC businesses, and he works his tail off for like seven months out of the year. So I feel for Connor and all of that. But that unit right next to you, to your right, Anita, everybody thinks that that's like the main part of your AC, that outside part, the kind of gray one right in front of that one to the left. Yeah, but I mean, that's only part of it. Then you have the air handler that's up usually in your attic. And so those guys are crawling in and out of attics all day. So you can lose something up in your attic, you could lose something outside, you could lose a fuse, you could lose a compressor.
But that's why Conrad said it's a machine, so maybe the compressor can be rebuilt, maybe you need new cooling coils. But he's going to do the best he can to find what you guys need.
Anita, thank you for that.